Okay, let's go into the kitchen here and see where the coffee is made. So the first thing to recognize is that sometimes a big pot is in place and this is up. You need to put it down because these pots need to be up close to where it's coming out. These are the pots. I don't have them all here right now because I got some out on the table, but there is a button on top that you open it with, just right there. There's a spout inside that dispenses the liquid, and there are a couple of different types. There's this kind that is a double barrel and a single barrel, and they are not interchangeable. So most of them will take these newer versions, and I'll talk a moment later about how to tell the difference. You simply put this underneath, you turn on, and one of the first things you should do when you come in the morning at 7:45, you don't have to do any of this with the other masses, but make sure that light is on, and it'll say if it's ready to brew. It is usually fairly quick. The full versus half should always be lit, and then you simply put a filter in the basket and tear off the corner, pour it in, shake it just to level it, put it in place, and then you simply hit the button to brew. And it starts coming down in, just make sure that it's going into the pot. This indicates that this is decaf coffee, and these come off, and there are a supply of them that I'll show in a moment. A couple of pots do not have the holes, and we have to put one of these bibs on to indicate that this is decaf. This is the other pot, and it doesn't matter whether you make decaf or regular in either one. You turn it on, there's a red light, you just turn it on, and then press this to brew. I'm not going to brew it at this time. The coffee supplies are over here, regular and decaf with the green, and there's extra creamers over here. When you have a finished pot and you've got it all set, this lifts up and it becomes a spout, and you can test to see if it comes out. If it doesn't, you need the other kind of spout. And then you simply will take them out. I think that covers this. Let's go to the condiments.